back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fall/autumn makeup look. If you're interested in how I got the look, continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, we're gonna get started in this fall makeup look. This is like my first fall makeup look on this channel, and I look forward to doing more and more and more of this makeup look. First, we're gonna go in with the primer, and I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild. It hydrates, and it also has like rose water in it. I'm going to be applying it on my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation in the shade of Caramel, and I'm just going to apply it very thinly on my face. I'm going to go in with my sculpting eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my brows a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer. Then I'm going to use my beauty blender and to just blend everything all together. Just to blend it out. Go in with my setting powder, and I use the LA Colors, the light one. I'm going to go with my bronzer in the shade Black Coffee, and I'm just going to go in with my microphone, aka my contour brush, and I'm just going to tap it on there, and I'm just going to use this as my contour, and I'm just going to contour my face. To contour my jawline. I'm going to use this brush and just do like a very quick contouring on my nose, just very quick, nothing extra. So this is how our makeup is looking like. So I'm going to go in with my blush palette. Make it closer. Next, I'm gonna go in with my pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes a little bit just to make it look very smoky. This is how our eyeliner turned out to be. Next, I'm gonna go in with my liquid highlighter. I'm just going to brighten up my face a little bit, and I'm just going to apply this to my nose. So next is working on to the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is what will bring all this all together. I'm going to go in with my Pumpkin Spice palette and also my Beauty Look eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with this orange look right here. I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to dab it in there. I'm going to walk on it all over my eyelid. All over my eyelid. I am going to go in with this color right here. I'm just going to dab it in with my blending eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to put it also on my eyelid. to make it look. Just going to blend it all together. I'm going to go in with my Beauty Book eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take my little eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to go in with this eyeshadow look, and I'm going to put it at the corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, and I am going to spray it all over my face. Next, I'm going to line my lips and give it some color that it deserves. Oops. And I'm going to go in with my Lip Shine lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply it all over eyelid. Lastly, I'm going to apply my favorite eyelash. We've come to the end of this video, and this is the finished look, and I hope you like and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.